In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Steam game download location and install path step by step. This is really useful if you want to keep Steam on a fast SSD for quicker loading while moving larger games to a second drive so you can save space and stay organized. You can also change when new games install by default, which is perfect if your main drive is filling up. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam on your computer. In the top left corner, click Steam, then choose Settings from the menu. This will open the Steam settings window where you can manage your library, downloads, storage, and other account preferences. On the left-hand side, click the Storage tab. This is the section where Steam lets you manage your install locations and decide which drive should be used for your games. Once you're in storage, look toward the top of the window and click the plus icon. This lets you add a new storage location. Now Steam will show you a list of available drives on your computer. Select the drive you want to use for your game installs. If you want more control, you can choose. Let me choose another location so you can create a specific folder instead of using a default one. After selecting the drive or folder, click Add. Steam will add that location to your storage list and make it available for game installations. If you want this new drive to become your default install path for future downloads, click the three dots next to that drive's storage bar. Then choose Make Default. Once you do that, a star icon will appear next to the drive, which tells you Steam will now install new games there automatically. This is the easiest way to change your main download location without having to adjust every game manually. Now, if you already have games installed and you want to move them to a different drive, you can do that too from the same storage menu. Just select the game you want to move, choose the new storage location, and Steam will transfer the files for you. This is especially helpful for large games that take up a lot of space, because you can keep your fastest drive available for the titles you play most often. A good tip here is to keep your operating system and frequently used apps on your SSD, while moving heavier games to a secondary hard drive or another SSD if you have one. That gives you a better balance between speed and storage. Also, make sure the drive you choose has enough free space before you move or install anything. If the drive is almost full, Steam may not install correctly or may slow down during updates. Once your storage location is set, future downloads will follow that path automatically, which saves time and makes your library much easier to manage. So whether you're trying to free up space, organize your games, or optimize performance, changing your Steam install path is a simple fix that makes a big difference. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. And if you want more Steam tips, check out the next guide on your screen.